gosh, Lord have mercy. Okay, let's see if this was the logo I was thinking it was. Okay, we have another box. So this is a Thredup unboxing of shoes. This Thredup rescue box came from Phoenix, Arizona, if you guys want to know. We are going to take a look at this and we are going to see if it is worth picking up. So let's take a look. Okay, so if you are new here, I love to do unboxings of different sites, warehouses, liquidators to see if they are great sources for inventory, but I also do show you guys some what's sold, some day in the lives of me being a full-time reseller as well as a stay-at-home mom. So if you are interested in knowing more about that, hit that subscribe button. Now let's dig into this. So the first thing I see are these Nike blue shoes, which I love selling Nike and I love their tennis shoes. Generally when I go to Portland, they are so incredibly expensive, so it's not even worth looking into. They cut out the tag. Why would you do that? You know, the same, yeah, the same on this side too. I mean, I definitely know they are Nikes, but I'm gonna have to do some research on the style as well as the size. So they're in great condition. I would probably just magic eraser this siding and be good to go. These are some really great black simple heels. They are Kolhan. I don't know if you can see that in there. And they are a size 8B. Oh, the bottoms are the Nike Airs, which I don't really understand, like the sole portion of that collaboration, because I've seen a lot of Kolhan and Nike Air items together. Well, I think they're worth selling. There's not a whole lot of damage to them. They look great. Are you serious? Are you kidding me? Oh my gosh, Lord have mercy. Okay. We're good. It's great. How's your day going? These are gorgeous. These are Fry boots. For those who don't know, they are 7.5s. The tread on the bottom looks like, look at that. Look at that. And my word, the leather looks amazing. These are so stinking cute. I'm so excited. And the reason why I screamed again is because we have another. Gosh, I love these. Love these. Let me find the other. Yeah, looking at the toe. Okay, so there's a little bit of scuffing on that one. Not a big deal. The soles still, they have some life in them. This one is a size 8B. Was that the other size too? No, that was the heels. So wonderful, amazing. These are in fantastic condition. Like the leather looks great. There's not a whole lot of scuffing. It's not gonna do, like, I'm not gonna need to polish them too much. And by me, I mean my husband. Oh, he's gonna love that. Okay. I love these boots. These are super cute. They are 9 West. I love the olive green. The suede has definitely seen better days, especially on that backside as well as on the toes, honestly. But 100% those Fries, both of those pairs will cover this box. So everything else at this point is just a, I'm okay. These are tiny. I don't know what size they are. I may or may not try to sell these, just because of how much wear is on the suede. Typically, yeah, especially in the back. Do you see how much breaking back there? If I found something like this in the bins, I would pass on them just because I do not like stuff breaking apart in someone's foot. Next, we have Rachel Simpson. These are cute. So they have a leather sole. The back, so I'm gonna take like a suede brush and just get some of this like scuffing and dirt off of them. But they look in really great condition. Take a look at the front of them. They're beautiful. Very dainty looking. That is awesome. Another pair of heels, which we have been trying to kind of avoid more so. I mean, I feel like heels are starting to make a comeback, but for a while, everyone just wanted comfort shoes. These are Joan and David. These are also a size, no, they're a size 7 medium. I thought they said 37s. I really like the tie on these. Take a look at that. They're cute. They've definitely had some good wear on the bottoms on that side, but from the back side, they actually don't have a lot of scuffing. And even typically shoes tend to rub side by side, and these ones don't look like they've had too much wear. The gloss still looks really good. These have a little kitten heel, pointed toe. I don't see any markings of, I think I just saw a logo on there that I'm going to be super excited about. Okay, let's stick with these. Oh my gosh, these are Stuart Weisman's. Ah! Okay, this box is fantastic. The size of them, it's a larger size, but I can't see. It's an 8.5 medium. These have definitely gotten some of that side wear that I was talking about. What I like to do with that is using like a magic eraser and washing it, or even trying to use the Lysol wipe and seeing if that helps a little bit. But oh my goodness, you guys. Oh, 200-pound box, what? No, just stick to the shoes. These are Madewells. That is so amazing. This is a size, well, the style is on that side. It is a size 8. Super cute. Let me find the other one. Yeah, really great condition. They have a little bit of a cushion on them, so that's awesome. They're cute. Okay, moving on. So far, like, everything in this box has been wonderful. Vince Camutos, these are really cute, and they don't look like they've been, you've got a little bit of wear right there. And at the toe, yeah, you can see a bit of an indent, but overall, the suede around it looks in really phenomenal condition. And the heel doesn't look like it has a lot of scuffing on it, so that's also good. These are a size 5.5, so that's gonna take me a minute to sell, but not too bad, not too bad. So far, there's only been like one pair that I've been like, meh, could do without. These are fun. They're Tommy Hilfigers, but they're just a great, kind of like that white Converse style that everyone's been into lately. These are a size, they've had some wear. They definitely have some wear on the heel right there, but nonetheless, the style is still really in. These are a size 10. I might actually be tempted to try these. I always want to get like white Converse style shoes, but then I'm like, who am I kidding? I don't want to spend the money on that. I might try these. Otherwise, if not, I will use a magic eraser and just clean up a little bit of this detailing. It's very pretty. I really like it. And I like the stripe on the back too. Okay, let's see if this was the logo I was thinking it was. That was the logo I thought it was. Yup. I mean, it's a good box. Need we say any more at this point? Like, shall we go on at this point? Because I'm just ecstatic. Ah! This whole box is phenomenal. I will. You guys will kill me if I don't show you the rest of the stuff, so let's carry on. Unfortunately, with Tory Burch, sometimes they have a sticker on the bottom that gives all the details, like the size, the style, and it is Ganji. So I'm gonna have to like take a picture of this and do a Google search, Google Lens. It's gonna be my best friend, and the problem too is I won't know the size. So I'm going to do some research on these, but they're still in really good condition. So not too much wear on that, which is awesome. Ah. And then these are Coach. Word, you guys. They're like a Mary Jane style with a Velcro on them. They have definitely been worn. Someone enjoyed these. The tread still looks good though. It's like the typical canvas look for Coach. There's a little bit of breakage kind of right there, but I could put these up for like $15, $20 and I'm sure someone would be happy. These are a size 7B. Vogue shoes. These are handmade. Wow. This is what it looks like. I love this style. It's just a very like simple, basic, but will go with everything. Unfortunately, I'm not seeing a size on here. So again, I'm gonna have to do some research. Backs look good. The bottoms look good. My one concern about the bottoms is they feel like they'd be slippery. My only concern. Then we have this one, Monroe Proper Size Perfect Fit. I like that these look like comfort shoes. Like the soles look like they're good comfort shoes, but they're also trendy. Like they have that fun silver like glitter detail. These are a size 7.5. So you've got that, got the backs, looks good. That looks good. Even the like footbed doesn't look like it's been too indented, so not a whole lot of wear on these, which is wonderful. And then the receipt at the bottom. So let's see how much I did pay. So we had a 15 pair box for $80. You guys, I would imagine I could probably get 80 on these alone. I'm gonna at least triple my income. Or not my income, but what I invested in this box. I will ask the question, do you feel like it's worth purchasing? But I think we all know the answer to that. I'm so impressed with this box. I'm very happy with this box. And this was actually, like I said, it was the second time I purchased this box. And the first time I was also pleasantly impressed. When I did the 200-pound mixed box clothing boxes, those also came from the Phoenix, Arizona. And you guys got to see those. If you didn't, we'll link it in the cards right here so you can see some of the unboxings of those. But I'm happy. So I'm just going to be smiling for the rest of the day. I'll see you guys soon. Bye.